People, after a long drive to Yakima only just to take a load, I'm feeling so sleepy and I have to get out of the truck. I need to find a place to sleep, maybe around. Forgive me, I'm feeling sleepy, bro. It's been a long distance, you know. I'm trying to check if I can find a place to sleep, because I don't know the map very well, but I am new at Yakima and trying by all means to be the best driver for my manager, because I haven't yet like owned a truck, so I'm still looking to buy a truck. So let me check the map. Damn, bro, I can't drive this far. Like I'm sleepy, bro. I'm feeling sleep and
Oh my Nobody wants to see us together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you. Nobody wants to see us together, but it don't matter, no, and you're my